Investigation now underway after Florida's governor flew dozens of migrants from Texas to Martha's Vineyard. The sheriff of Bexar County, Texas, says his office wants to know if the migrants were victims of a crime.
When you're playing with human lives of people that are already in a desperate situation, people that again had every right to be where they were but were lured under false pretenses, that does tend to bother me quite a bit. And so we are absolutely opening up an investigation into this.
And tonight we know the number of migrants from Venezuela, Cuba, and Nicaragua entering the United States has soared. Last month, U.S. authorities stopped migrants from coming in from those three countries about 56,000 times. That's up more than 6,000 from July and just about double the number we saw in August of 2021.